how to use this Reels or drama series application here like April. So make sure watch full video, stay tuned. As you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you just pretty much go straight head on with series for this application here. As you can see here, I'm just gonna go back real quick, and quite a lot of ads while trying navigating through the application. So do keep in mind you're gonna encounter some ads while navigating through the application. So once you're at the home screen, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and you'll be greeted with a short drama clip, which as you can see here, and they do have the feature where you can watch the full series or the full episode by just tapping on the watch full episode option here, or you can tap on selections and it will pretty much show you the series as it relates to the application, episodes and everything. So once it's finished, I'll pretty much go to that section real quick. So as you can see here, we'll load up like this and tap on selection again. Here as you can see all the episodes of this series here. As you can see a lot of episodes which you can watch, and these are completely free. You don't need any subscription as it relates to this application here. So do keep in mind while navigating through the application, you're going to encounter a lot of ads. As you can see here, and as well, you can also scroll across to see other drama series which you cannot watch. So these are based on the one that I've just selected, pretty much the same thing, or it will show you similar ones to the one that you have selected. So down here as well, you can tap on the earth looking icon down here in the middle, and you'll be able to just scroll casually and look for what you want. As you can see here, not much, just a few that they have added to the application. The application is fairly new, so it won't have as much drama series as it should have, as it was going to be popular. So over here you have some other section, nothing much than just the history section here, and yeah, that's really pretty much it for this application. And here you can also go ahead and scroll and look for what you want. So that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, do make sure to comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.